Okay, good morning everybody. My name is Juan Carlos Cas, and today is my final presentation. Okay, this is my introduction. Today, in this presentation, I'm going to talk to you about all my trip to Canada, which I shared with all my friends, and I never forget it. Next, please. Okay, here I divide all my trip to Canada in some topics, like Toronto, Montreal, Canada Day, Museum, Columbia Day, Oviedo, Canada, France, and Notre Dame Cathedral. Okay, next please. Okay, Canada's Wonderland. Canada's Wonderland is to be held in Toronto City. Canada's Wonderland is an attraction park which has a lot of roller coaster and some attraction to have a really good time. This place is really nice, and this is the biggest and largest, highest roller coaster in Canada. Okay, I'm going to talk about Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is one of the 5 wonders around the world, and as you can see, this is amazing. Actually, there are two Niagaras, two falls. There are one from USA, and the other is from Canada, and the Canada is more beautiful. Also, you can see in front of the bridge, you can see USA, Easton City. Okay, and near to Niagara Falls, you can see a really cosmopolitan street. You can find haunted house, and other some special places to have fun. Also, you can find a museum from more criminals, the record games, and more and other things. Okay, today, right now, I'm going to talk about the CN Tower. CN Tower is the second highest tower around the world. It has around 185 floors. In that day, in the night, you can see it's really amazing, the picture, and the day is the colors was on the Colombian flag. Okay, this is the road, Montreal. Montreal is a cosmopolitan city, the fashion city in Canada. Also, this is a big roller coaster named the Viper. Also, La Ronde is another park with some roller coasters to have a really good time. Near to this place, you can find all the things that you need, some clothes and everything that you want. Also, in the night, each Saturday on Montreal, you can see some fireworks in La Ronde. When I went, I saw the Portugal fireworks. Okay, in Montreal, this is St. Joseph's Cathedral. St. Joseph's Cathedral is a big oratory and cathedral that you can go to visit. It's an antique place, and you can go to visit, and it has a really beautiful view. Also, the people come here to make some promises that make to the friends or to another people to give things to God. For example, here we can see our friend Christian Cook. Okay, making something special. Next. Okay, this is the metro. The picture, you can observe the route of the metro. There are four routes: the yellow, the orange, the blue, and the purple. And here you can see that it has really good transport routes. Also, you can see that the metro is very dangerous because they are too fast, and the way that the train have a really highest voltage. Next, okay. I'm going to talk about Civilization Museum. Civilization Museum is the most beautiful museum from Canada. Here you can see all the things that you have. Also, here you saw the fireworks of Canada. And here, this museum has 4 floors. Each floor teaches some different place of age that Canada has taken. Also, it has a really room for celebration, like the Heritage College graduation that we saw. Okay, this is the World Museum. The War Museum shows us all the history that 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 have taken place around the world, and show us some guns and some weapons and clothes that the people show us and used it in the past. Okay, this is the Currency Museum. In the Currency Museum, we can see all the value of the coins and the money in Canada. Also, the museum has bills and coins around all the world. Okay, the Royal Canadian Mint. Royal Canadian Mint is a museum who has all kind of coins with different materials like gold, silver, and metal and others. And this museum have all kind of collections. For example, this coin, the gold is around $1,000. Okay, I'm going to talk about Colombian Day. This is amazing because I feel like Colombia. I was with my friends and compare. Also, you can imagine here in Canada, I drank Postobon soda, so it's amazing. And here you can see our friend Martin, who is playing the accordion really good, and around all the Colombian people. Yes. Okay, he's in the Rio Canal. This is the Rio Canal. It's a little replica around the Panama Canal. Around here you can see the Parliament. This is a really history monument, and here all the important people work in politics. And here the Rio Canal grows up or grows down depending of the status of the water. Okay, here I'm going to show you some of my friends. I share all these travels, and I have really good times and really moments. Over there is my friend Pollo Silva, who lives with me, with my homestay family and other friends. Next. This is the Notre Dame Cathedral. Here is a little replica about the real cathedral who is in France, and there are another cathedral but in Montreal that is twice more highest. Next. Okay, now I'm going to say thanks to my mom, to my dad for giving this opportunity. I won't forget this time. Okay, thanks for your attention.